Hi everyone, it's Heidi, and sorry this took so long to get on here. I was having all kinds of technical difficulties, so hopefully this will be worth it in the end. I wasn't going to do a video this week, but I was doing some Christmas stuff, and I thought, oh, this would be fun to share with everybody. So I'm going to do that. Basically, we love the Thieves hand sanitizer and the refill and all that, and we use it all the time, but I was just kind of thinking, I've seen other people that have a spray hand sanitizer, and I thought that would be kind of cool to see. So I looked it up, and I got a couple different recipes and decided to try it for myself. The one that I saw was kind of strange. She had witch hazel, and then she had 44 drops of essential oils, which was like really expensive for just a hand sanitizer. So I found another one, and basically I have some 2-ounce bottles. So what I did, this is a half teaspoon salt, 8 to 10 drops of Thieves, of course I did 10, and distilled water. And I did put some witch hazel in it. Witch hazel is just an astringent. You can get it at any drugstore. I don't know if that might help the oil to suspend in here better, but I think the salt probably takes care of that. So that is my Thieves hand spray, just very convenient, and then I think it also can help protect you when you're out shopping and stuff, but it does help to clean your hands. This one my son just absolutely loves. Anytime we go to a thrift store or anything, we get in the car and he's like, Mom, okay, can I have the hand sanitizer? So we really love the hand sanitizer. Then what I decided to do was to make labels for this, because I was thinking about maybe at Christmas time putting out like a basket, making a couple different kinds of things, and putting on there like this would be anybody with it has hands can take one, just kind of a funny thing because they know I'm all into oils. And I wanted to just kind of give them a little fun thing to take. So I thought I needed to have some labels. So I had taken this little class on making printables, and so I made up this printable, and I'm going to share it with you guys so that you can do this too. There's 2 different kinds of labels. The one is like a teardrop, like a water type look, and then the other one is this square. This is just a Avery. It's complete labels that you have to cut them out. I've had some sheets of these, and so I just printed it right on there, and then I just cut them out, and then you just take the sticker off, and you can put it wherever you want. So this way you can make your own sizes or whatever. But so if you guys were wanting to do something like this for Christmas gifts, or even just for yourself, just as a fun little thing to use instead of hand sanitizer. If you don't feel like messing with this, then just keep using the hand sanitizer. It's much better than all that chemical stuff. So please promise me you won't use all that chemical stuff to clean your hands when you're out. These are 2 good alternatives. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, that everyone has a great time with their family, and that you'll stay safe and healthy and all that kind of thing. So let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.